Good morning, folks. This is Marcel. Here comes Amtrak train number 11. Your cold Starlight. This train is headed southbound to Los Angeles. Here it comes. ALC 42 307 leaves off. And that's a damaged ALC 42 in the back. 307 and 319. Never mind, that's just somebody left a tissue on the train, on the window. So this is Amtrak Coast Starlight Train 11 going to Los Angeles, going on the coast sub. All right, enjoy your trip, you guys. Enjoy your trip on the Coast Starlight. You got the coaches in the back. There it goes, you guys. That train is on its way to Los Angeles. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one as this train makes a right-hand turn on the coast sub. .307 and 319 on the Coast Starlight today.